Hello and welcome to my latest video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a scheduled event and then create a pairs link inside of the Restream.io live streaming software. So Pairs is their newest feature that's out in 2021, and it enables you to share your studio with your guest speaker inside of your live stream. Now you can also use it to actually give your live stream to somebody else to show on their social channels as well. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a live stream and then find the pairs link and then show you which link it is that you need to share with your guest speaker. So my name is Anita Wong, and I connect the digital dots so that you can create magical workflows. So I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to dive straight into the Restream Studio. So here we are inside of the Restream Studio and we come to their dashboard. So we're going to be scheduling an event using the live studio. So we're going to go down to the schedule event tab. Go ahead and click that. And then I'm going to be doing it all inside of the Restream Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Restream Studio button. And then we're going to give our event name. So we're going to be talking about using Shopify and Instagram shopping together with my guest, Veronica Jean. So I'm going to pop the title in and the description, the date and the time, and upload the thumbnail. And then I'm going to hit that next button. So bear with me while I do this. Okay, so I'm going to upload the thumbnail. Go ahead and crop. And then all that's left to do is click that next button. Okay, so now you decide which channels you want your live show to go to. So I'm just going to keep these on at the moment. Just going to turn these two off. And then I'm going to go ahead and create the event. So just let Restream do its stuff. It's going to create the event for us. And that's going to show up on all of my social media channels. So once it's created the event, I'm going to get that pairs link, which is the all-important link to send to my guest. Okay, so here it is, invite guests. It's easier to create content with others. So get more views with pairs. So allow your guests to stream this event on their channel. So all I need to do is copy this link and send it over to my guests. So go ahead and click done. And there's my event ready to go. And what will happen when Veronica clicks the link and goes to her Restream account is that when she adds her channels, we'll see those channels in here. So I'll show you what that looks like once she's done that. So it's as simple as that, to create a live streaming event on your own channel and then share the pairs link with your guest speaker. Okay, so as promised, this is what my Restream account looks like when somebody else has paired their event with me. So as you can see here, I have these link signs and I have this +6. So it basically means that I have got a paired account alongside my own channel. So this is my channel, and this is where I'm going to be going live today in just a moment. And this is the paired channel. So this shows you that Veronica's channels are all set, ready to go. So she's going to be live streaming to her Facebook, her YouTube, her LinkedIn, and her Twitter account. And I'm also going to be live streaming to my YouTube, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my Facebook group, and also my Twitter account. So it's going to be an absolutely awesome live stream. So that's what happens when you go with pairs. So my name's Anita Wong, and if you have any questions about this video, then please do feel free to drop them underneath this video. If you're not using Restream at the moment, then I've got a link for you to try out Restream for free. I've also popped that underneath here. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. You'll find that this video is part of a Restream Pairs playlist, so do have a look below this video as well for the links to the other videos in this playlist. Like I said again, happy streaming, and I will see you in the next video.